In this video, I will be going over how to add a hyperlink to either a text or a picture. So since we don't have anything in here, I'll be going back to the first section, which is the Getting Started section, and we'll be adding a hyperlink to anything here. So say if I chose the name Sean here in my autocorrect section, and I click hyperlink. Now this can go into just about anything. So starting with the first one, you can add it to an existing file or a web page. So you have all your files here if you'd like, or you can browse whatever pages you've already opened previously, or anything you recently opened. Down here in address, you're also able to add a URL from a website in order to direct your text straight to a web page. Here in place in this document, you can actually place a link towards something in this document. So as you see here, and at the bottom here, we also have our getting started, we have inserting options, working with formulas, cell reference, and we have a blank sheet 1. So it actually notices that I have all these within the document. So I can always go back and do it towards one of those, as well as any cell numbers that you previously entered or tried to look up. In create a new document, you're able to create a brand new document within Excel in order to link something back towards what you want to link to. And here you're also able to email someone if you would like. So I'm going to be placing it in this document as an example for you. So for this example, usually if you're trying to link to something within your document, it has to have some sort of reference towards what you're linking to. Now, this document isn't really meant for that. I'm just using this as purely as an example. So I'm going to do it to sheet 1. Now we'll click OK. As you see here, let me zoom in here for a bit. The name Sean has been changed to a blue outline. So when I hover over the name, it shows the directions. So it says click once to follow, click and hold to select this cell. So if I click and hold, it selected the cell. But if I click once, it directs me straight to the end where I want to be, which is sheet 1. And if I had something here that had a reference, I could always go straight there. Stay tuned next, as next we'll be looking at the text box, which has many different options, which you can add a text, header and footer, word art, and much more.